Hey everybody, it's Robert here with Jones Tech. Today we're going to be doing hydraulics, and the reason why it's already tore apart is because taking them apart is basically simple. Just make sure you have no pressure on the system when you remove the hydraulic lines. And then once you do that, then it's just a matter of taking out 4 bolts that go on the outside of the case here. This is your barrel. Then this just puts together. It's really simple. So once you take it out, one of the things is you want to check the concentricity of the shaft. This is going to be a ram here. And what you want to do is you actually want to take this off and this nut off here. And what will happen is you can actually put it on a vise and use a concentricity gauge, and you just roll it and you check to see if make sure it's no more than 20 thousandths out. If it is, it means you got a bend in it. Ram's no good. You can also have your concentricity gauge needle here. As you slide the ram back and forth, you can watch the needle, see if it fluctuates real bad one way or another. That's another way to tell if it's bad. On the smaller ones, it's not so bad, but on the you get some of the rams that are 15 foot long, like you find on your track hose, stuff like that. Then you got to be real careful, because your measurement may be good at one end, but at 15 foot later you may be out 6 inches and not even realize it. But being these real small, you're going to use these for real light applications. Then you just do it on a vise and use one concentricity gauge. Pretty simple to do. One of the things that you also want to do is you want to check to make sure that your barrel here is not out of round. Out of round meaning that it's not, it's not egg shaped. So what you do is you take a snap gauge, and the snap gauge is pretty simple. You put it inside the bore like this. Just turn it. It actually snaps out, comes in contact with the sides. I like to go about the middle, then you turn the knob back down. Pull that out. Once you pull that out, you just take a dial caliper, this thing here, take your measurements. So you just take your measurements like this here, write your measurements down. So this is, right now we're under 2 inches. So our inside bore is going to be roughly 1.994. You write that measurement down. Then you would measure here. This is your piston. This is the head shaft here. The piston, you don't want to measure on the seals. Seals compress, stuff like that. So you want to get a good machined area and do your measurement here. And what you do is you subtract the two. This is 1.995. That's well within 0.006 of an inch. But this is a new system, so you kind of got to expect it. If you have one that you want to just do a real quick check and see what's going on, you can just take your dial caliper and pull it like that, just catch it on the lip, and then get your measurement that way. See what you got. It's usually pretty close to actually a snap gauge. But before you do that, always take your finger, rub up and down to make sure that you don't have any kind of lip in there. If you have that, then that's going to tell you that the system's bad. So outside of that, that should be it. Again, it's Robert with Jones Tech. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.